We've taken the CX-5 as it was and we've been refining on the technology side and on the design side. So it became even more mature as it was before. With the CX-5, we're combining elegance with the toughness of an SUV. We tried to design with the least possible elements. We didn't try to be cool or fashionable, we just wanted a very pure design. With our colors, and especially with the Soul Red Crystal, we want to emphasize the finesse that we put in the surfacing. Polymetal grey is a very interesting color. If you take it outside, it really comes to life. So it turns from grey into bluish, and again, it's a color that brings out the surfacing and the shapes of the car.
Skyactiv is a name for an approach to innovate technologies. For example, we introduce cylinder deactivation technology on our gasoline engines. This allows us to further optimize fuel consumption without sacrificing vehicle performance.
If you get into the CX-5, you will instantly see that everything is positioned in the correct place to improve on the Jim-by tie and the connection of car and driver. We increased the size of the display that's on the instrument panel.
We want our customers to enjoy effortless, joyful driving. So we look at everything which supports his ability to drive or how he can enjoy driving. We also look at what disturbs his abilities. Noise, vibration, harshness is a term which we use for that. Road can have different conditions, but it is very important that the driver never loses its confidence in the performance of the vehicle. Safety is a cornerstone to Mazda's human-centered approach, and with the 2020 CX-5, we further introduced new technologies ahead. The essence is that we continuously are a step ahead in giving the customer a very positive feeling of driving and owning a Mazda car.